Here are 5 psychological rules every man must know to get girls easily. There are men who effortlessly attract women. They don't chase, they don't beg, they don't try hard. They simply exist in a particular way, and women are drawn to them like gravity. Then there are men who try everything, the gym, the cologne, the fake confidence, and still, nothing works. They end up bitter, angry, shouting online that all women are the problem, or girls today aren't worth it. Look, you can stay bitter, or you can get honest. Blaming others for your lack of success with women is a shortcoming, not a strategy. The truth is, mastering your interactions with women makes life better, richer, and more fun. And it starts not with a pickup line, but with psychology. This isn't about tricks. It's about becoming the type of man who is scientifically and emotionally irresistible. And today, I will break down the 5 psychological rules that will make you get girls easily. And it is the same rule that separates the effortlessly attractive men from everyone else. This is how you attract and get any girl you want. Energy is everything. Women don't fall for words, they fall for energy. The kind of energy that fills a room the moment you walk in. Confidence, aliveness, emotional charge. It's magnetic. Think of the lion in the savannah. When he walks, he doesn't rush. When he looks around, everything watches back. His calmness isn't weakness, it's contained power. That's the kind of energy women sense from a distance. It's not about acting like a clown or forcing loudness. It's about being fully alive in your body, in your movements, in your eyes. Also think of the silverback gorilla who uses his alpha energy to get access to all the females, not just because of brute force, but because he is the powerful, decisive leader who provides security and direction. Yet, he's also gentle, mentoring the young and serving as a playful protector. And here is the bitter truth. You already have this energy. The modern world just systematically drains it. Endless scrolling, junk food, sleep deprivation, pornography, they all weaken your masculine charge. Want to get girls easily? Reclaim your vitality. Work out. Go outside. Do difficult things that make you sweat. Compete. Earn your rest. Energy is the foundation of attraction. It's the first thing women feel, even before you speak. Become charismatic through intentional communication. A man with charisma is perceived as both likable and powerful, an irresistible combination that captivates and attracts. Charisma allows you to command a room, draw people to your ideas, and become the kind of leader others want to follow. Fortunately, charisma is not a mysterious gift. It's a developed skill that starts with intentional communication. The high energy discussed earlier is the foundation, but the technique is in the delivery. Charismatic men talk less, but say more. They make you want to hear the next sentence. They maintain eye contact not to dominate, but to communicate conviction. When you talk to a woman, look at her, not like a prey, but like someone you truly see. When she speaks, listen, nod, react. Make her feel that her words matter, even if you disagree. And when it's your turn to talk, speak with purpose. Drop the filler words. Stop explaining yourself. A man who knows his value doesn't need to convince anyone. Smell good, dress sharp, appear as you intend to be treated. We are told not to judge a book by its cover, but the psychological reality is that first impressions are everything, especially to women. Before you even open your mouth, your hygiene and clothes already tell your story. Do you look like a man who respects himself or one who gave up? There is a concept in psychology called the halo effect, which is the cognitive bias where an observer's overall impression of a person influences their feelings and thoughts about that person's character. If you look and smell unkempt, everything you say is filtered through that negative lens. Therefore, the first step is to eliminate bad smells before adding good ones. Smelling good starts with being clean. Shower daily. Brush your teeth. Use a tongue scraper. Trim your nails. If you're balding, shave your head confidently. If you have hair, keep it sharp. These small habits silently scream, I have standards. This isn't just about attracting women. It's about commanding respect in every area of life. Walk into a business meeting looking sloppy, and you will be taken less seriously. That's just the unfortunate way the world works. Spend time finding clothes that fit well and convey the message you want to send. Your style is a form of nonverbal communication that advertises your self-respect and status before you even speak. When it comes to dressing, your style doesn't have to be expensive, just intentional. Clothes should fit your physique, not hide it. Learn what works for your body type. A clean white shirt, fitted jeans, and good posture often do more than designer brands ever will. Remember, real women don't fall for what's expensive. They fall for what looks effortlessly controlled. Build emotional control. One thing women find irresistibly attractive and equally rare is emotional control. Most men are slaves to their reactions. They get angry, defensive, needy, or jealous at the smallest trigger. But the man who can stay calm when others panic, that's the man who stands out. Control doesn't mean being emotionless. It means mastery over expression. When she tests you, and she will, she's not being cruel. She's subconsciously checking if you're stable enough to handle her emotions. If you lose your temper, you fail. If you beg for validation, you fail. But if you stay composed, with a subtle smirk that says, "You can't shake me," you pass a test most men don't even know they're taking. A woman feels safe when she knows your emotions don't own you. That's psychological dominance. Quiet, grounded, unbreakable. Because here's the truth. People follow emotional gravity. The one who remains calm controls the room. When everyone else loses balance, the man who stays steady becomes the anchor. That's why emotional control is more than attraction. It's leadership. Women don't just want to be with that kind of man. They want to feel safe in his presence. Have a purpose in this life. Here's the truth no one tells you. Purpose is the most powerful aphrodisiac. Women are drawn to men who are moving towards something, not wandering aimlessly, not chasing girls, but chasing meaning. When a man has a goal that consumes him, his craft, his mission, his growth, it changes everything. His energy becomes rare. His time becomes valuable. He doesn't chase, he chooses. And women instinctively want to be chosen by such a man. Purpose gives your aura direction. Without it, you'll always seek validation through attention. With it, attention seeks you. That's not mysticism, that's psychology. Humans are wired to respect focus. The men who attract high-quality women are the ones who possess unshakable internal validation, meaning their self-worth is determined by their own achievements and standards, not by external approval, like a woman's attention. If you constantly doubt your worth and potential, it will be impossible to project the confidence necessary for charisma. You must become deeply conscious of your value and potential to achieve great things, and then carry yourself that way. Walk with purpose, speak with authority, and act as if you already possess the life you are working toward. In essence, carry yourself like you could get any girl, because a man who feels complete on his own is the most attractive kind of man. This inner confidence is the ultimate psychological magnet. We live in a world where some men try to look important. You should become the one who is important, not by shouting, but by mastering yourself. That's how you get girls. That's how you keep them. And more importantly, that's how you earn respect. From them and from yourself. Now listen carefully. Noir wisdom is a movement that equips you with the psychology and mindset to dominate your life. If this video gave you an edge, I've got 100 more waiting for you. Subscribe to the channel right now. Don't miss the next step in your transformation. Your power is waiting.